The Tranche 3, as we call it, of rolling out integrated primary mental health and addiction services is about getting these services out to more people across the whole country, expanding the services and starting in these 5 new areas. The 5 new areas are Nelson Marlborough, Tairāwhiti, Bay of Plenty, South Canterbury and West Coast.
Now, with this being rolled out, it means that people will be able to access some mental health and wellbeing support immediately from their general practice in their community, so they won't be having to go to a secondary service or somewhere else into town when they can just see their GP, see a health improvement practitioner straight away and then access further services if they need to. But a lot of the time people just get what they need from seeing someone 1 or 2 times when they need the support.
The model is based on good evidence and is based on outcomes, so people can participate in a way that has some meaningful outcomes for their families based on their own needs.
Especially proud of the way that we've collaborated as a health organisation between the DHB, the PHO and Pikioranga in getting this going, and I know it's really helpful for people within our communities.
I'm really confident that it'll also be the trigger for us to think differently right across our system around how we support people in a different way, rather than a siloed mental health approach. It's normalising wellbeing as part of everyday health and trying to have our whole system geared so we can actually confidently support people's wellbeing.
I'm really heartened to hear the stories that we're beginning to hear about the impact that these services are having on people's lives. Literally people saying things like, "This is the first time anybody has ever truly listened to me. This is the most helpful service I've ever had after years of trying to get help." It felt so natural to get this sort of support from my local GP team, and we've had on more than one occasion people say, "This has literally saved my life."